think it's video 4. It's actually video 3, but it's day 4. So today in this video, we are going to be eating MREs. That's right. MREs. Yeah, so we got 3 types of MREs. The first type we got is a vegetarian. It's a pasta. What is it? Pasta.
Vegetarian pasta.
Fagioli.
Fagioli. This one comes with a grape juice. It comes with blueberry pomegranate applesauce. Some honey roast. I don't think it's the same thing.
Don't open it.
It's like a lunchbox, y'all. It comes with honey roasted soybeans. Double chocolate chip famous Amos cookies. And then we got some breadsticks. Both on plain. And let me tell y'all, we ain't never had these at Basic and AIT, so this is gonna be my first time trying it too.
Okay, so in mine, I have the good one. Zesty barbecue sauce and potatoes with beef. You must want to do some side.
I say play rock, paper, scissors.
You want to play rock, paper, scissors?
It's 2 out of 3.
I don't do rock, paper, scissors, shoot now. Okay, come on.
You be cheating,
Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Whoop. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
Well, look like I won. Okay, so in mine, I have apple juice. I have some Muscle Man Hill raspberry something.
That's Granny Smith.
I got some
this Granny
fruit
Smith
too.
applesauce. Oh,
That's not even yours.
this Dad's. I have some roasted soy nuts, some chips Ahoy. Famous Amos.
Come on, I just want to play now.
No, you already lost, cuz.
Come on.
No, something to something.
Come on, now. 1, 2, 3. G's coming back.
Yes, I got my daddy. Yes, oh yeah.
Okay, and I got some breadsticks and crushed red pepper. What's in yours?
Red pepper. I don't know how to.
And my dad got this stuff for this one.
Yeah.
We got this right from the store.
Yeah, it's raspberry.
It ain't come from no
raspberry.
Raspberries.
Yeah,
We
raspberry.
probably should, hold on.
And some
We should start heating it up.
And some
So
juice.
we just have to wait on, about 10 minutes.
Oh, shit.
We got this for a lot louder.
Now just don't heat your stuff up. Y'all, mine ain't come with no heater.
Got some nuts.
What is
Like,
this?
no, it can't. The water that you gotta use, but mine didn't come with that type of water. So I wonder if
My
I
dad
can
got
use regular
some
water.
peanuts.
Yeah.
My dad got
Maybe you
some
supposed to
peanuts.
What's this?
Don't say that. Don't
They
say
gonna be
that.
something
My
messed
dad got some
I'm gonna try to use regular water.
So you can't drink?
Fuck no.
What?
I'm pretty sure it got something in
Well,
it.
I don't know. We ain't.
Never tried.
Oh, it's salt water.
Is that what it say?
Yeah. So salt. We make it hot.
This
I don't
thing
know
right
because the thing that we just had a damn heater and we just put water in there.
here. It say heater meals. Insert unopened meal inside heater bag.
I know how to do it now.
With the meal film upside
Oh,
down on the heater
this
bag.
a heater bag.
Yeah.
And this a heating
Oh,
pad.
for heater bag.
I can't even fucking see.
We need some
I can't see
herb.
fucking shit out of this thing.
You heard now. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. You can't put it in the microwave?
No.
You can't for real? I don't know, shit.
Oh, it is getting hot.
Is it a microwave?
I can
It's not
today.
no microwave.
Yeah.
Guys,
It's
I
Yeah.
can today.
We when I was in
Guys,
basic, we didn't even use these heaters to heat our food because
Yeah,
we only had 10. Yeah, we only had 10 minutes to eat. So we would steal the heaters and we'll put them in our sleep bag because you know I was there in December and in January, so we'll put them in our sleep bag. It's supposed to be flat. That ain't funny, no.
Man, I mean,
Can I put some in here, Daddy? Can I put some in here?
this one.
There you go.
Oh.
And then usually while you wait on it to cook, you just eat your other meals. Yours already been hot?
In the front.
I got it.
Look at you.
I got
It is smoking. Why you?
It's supposed to. It's gonna smoke. Yours gonna. It's gonna smoke in the box
This is smoking.
when it get hot.
Shit.
Oh.
Alright, close.
Like
They'll be hot.
this.
Oh.
Now, you got a good water.
It's that gravy.
Mine ain't gonna work easy.
And then you gonna have to
Y'all, I might have to eat mine cold for real. It ain't even getting
I
hot.
smell it.
Y'all, mine not even getting hot. Oh my god.
I do. Me too.
You should put some salt in your water.
I might just have to use Nigel heater.
Here,
when he done.
here, put it in. Yeah, now it's working good. Babe, put it in there.
I got
It's
it.
fine. Put it in the other way.
That be hot for real. Mine.
Yeah.
Ooh, look at. Y'all, look at it. Ooh.
Mine, on the other hand, is gonna get 8 cold. I
That's
guess.
really hot.
That's really hot.
That's
Ooh.
really funny.
It's kind of sad. It's okay. We gonna see.
Yeah, you have to wait until about
10 minutes. About
10 minutes.
And usually while you wait in the 5-10 minutes, you just, eat your other
Socialize.
snacks.
Oh, I'm talking about socialize.
So I'm gonna try these soy nuts.
Daddy,
Soybeans.
I don't want to try your juice.
Get out my ear.
It's amazing.
Get out my
My shit really not cooking.
ear. Man, get this man off me.
It's
Ooh, now it's smoking that
amazing.
Look at
Dang.
mine.
Who that be bubbling?
Yeah.
I'm just have to use one of y'all heaters.
Wait,
This
this ain't
running
that
out.
ain't got no lid up in there.
I think it's a bean, Katie.
Wait,
Can
like-
you use your soup?
Oh, y'all can try a lot of.
No?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm about to get this out there.
Y'all ready?
Okay. I'm just throw 2 on, 3 on.
I'm
You like
I'm
them?
gonna do these. I
like
don't
You like them?
know. I ain't never tried.
Oh, shit.
No,
Let's go.
They good now?
Mm-hmm.
Too. Now, you ain't got a little.
you eating on man. Every time I put something in my hand.
He ain't even eating. That's the shell. Okay, y'all ready? 1, 2. That's alright. Good.
Feel
I
like,
Taste
like
like
this
sweet peanut.
feel like a sweet sunflower seed.
I eat these.
I would have still these. I would have thrown these and took these
Honey
back to the bank.
roasted soybean.
I would have took these back to the bank.
They be cooking, bro.
Mom, what's that?
Ugh. I don't like the aftertaste.
Baby,
It tastes very, very
Beanie.
big. Very, very big.
it is hot.
It's not hot.
This goes. You're my best friend.
Yeah. I'm great.
It would even taste like they're not bedded on. These bitches stale.
Man. You come in, bro.
Ow. He said he think mine done because he ain't smoking no more. How you check it?
Just pull it out.
Bad? Yeah, mine is done. And it's hot.
Okay, let's see if I get a little. Ow, fuck me. A little bit of heat.
You, man.
Get the fuck off my face. Stop. Now we're eating MREs.
I got double chocolate chip. They got regular chocolate chip.
What they-
Mom, I love this one.
I might steal Nigel heater too.
Not mom.
let you hit sizzling, Kate. I ain't gonna
I
burn
thought you were finna touch me with it.
Don't do this at home.
Please don't.
Wait, I'm at home though.
Kids, don't try this at home. So it's the grapefruit. This shit smell like dog. I'm just playing. It smell good though. Smell like barbecue. Wait, do you supposed to put the red peppers up in there? You do?
We ain't had no red peppers. Y'all, this is high class.
New. This new. New and improved. That's look like tetrazzini.
You look like Campbell.
Okay, y'all. So let me show y'all mine real quick. Let me stir it up. Stir it up.
I hope you was done with your soybeans.
Yeah.
I guess I'd try my applesauce. Nazir, don't even look my way because you ain't had none of this blueberry pomegranate.
This is mine. Look kind of good, huh? Look, y'all see this smoke? Oh, y'all can't see. Y'all can't see.
Like I said, it look kind of good. She got all them crushed peppers at the top. I'm screaming.
We gotta put some tape up in this movie. What? You just.
I'll make them try it. Make them try it.
Eat it. Eat it. Mine smell like ravioli for real. It's good.
That was all blessing.
Okay.
Can you call it applesauce? If it's blueberry,
No, the bear sauce.
blueberry and pomegranate sauce.
Now just taking the first bite. Good.
Okay, I'm
Y'all
impatient
ready?
now.
Yeah, ready? It tastes good. I can eat this.
So you think? Oh, I gotta get y'all the ones in the brown bag.
Yeah, that's the one I be seeing on TikTok.
It got a sweet taste to
They
it.
not nasty though. They not. Well, I only had the vegetarian.
They want to taste mine?
I think he got a sweet. Can I get a potato? Potato?
It got a real sweet taste to it. It's really good though.
This taste like the noodle soup.
That is good. Yeah, I'm telling you, this ain't. If they would have gave us to this in the field, I would have loved going to the field. I promise. Okay, y'all. Mine not as hot like theirs, but
It's good. You thirsty?
oh, this smell good. This one smell like the one
That
from
ain't
the field.
tetrazzini.
Y'all, this is mine. I should never stirred it up first.
And it's vegetarian.
Yeah, it's the vegetarian kind. It
That
got
don't taste bad either. It taste like soup.
There.
You can eat that. What it taste like?
a little cold. Well, it's good.
Oh, that's
Taste.
hot. That's hot, Mom.
No, you kind of scared to taste it.
Cause it's vegetarian. I'm just.
You ain't even gonna notice. I promise you ain't.
We should never use the
Looks like no
Oh,
like
this
that.
so good.
See?
These some good ones.
I'm gonna have to reheat this in the microwave.
Okay.
Mom, give me that juice.
Who can give you that juice? Be quiet.
I can eat this for real.
Yeah, that one good.
This is real good. Yeah. It tastes like
What it taste like with the cracker now?
Still stereo, but you know. You wanna try it?
Yeah, you should try it.
This is good. Yeah, not with the cracker.
I got apple juice.
Ooh. What's that? Hamburger Hill.
It tastes. I don't taste good. I probably would buy these. Just yeah. I would.
It's like TV dinner.
Yeah, like some
quick.
quick, like a Michelin. You know what I'm talking about? Ain't that what it called? The little things in the green, the dollar things in the green pack.
I probably shouldn't have put all that peppers in there, but I did.
Yeah, put it in the microwave for like 2 minutes.
I need some salt. Hold on a little bit.
Oh, let me eat my applesauce.
Acai. Oh, yeah, I can taste my applesauce too.
No, it ain't.
Meanwhile, I'm having a full course meal over here, y'all, because this kind of good.
It is good.
They ain't served
It's
us
really
like this
good.
in the field.
I like this. And when that pepper make it a little spicy, it tastes
Cause
good.
that girl I be watching on TikTok, she be eating some other shit.
So I'm gonna take this, taste this
You talking about
applesauce. This
applesauce? It's
applesauce.
blueberry pomegranate.
Kayla took my applesauce.
No, this ain't. Oh, yes, it is here. But so,
I really got a meal.
Let me taste it.
it didn't taste like, it
I
tastes like
want to taste that
applesauce.
one. I want to taste the acai, raspberry acai.
What the acai?
Some type of food I be hearing them talk about on TikTok.
They taste the same.
You do?
But this one's
Yeah.
sour.
There you go.
I see Naylani, man.
Find me.
Ooh. That one
This
good.
is good.
It is. Yeah, raspberry.
I think it's the acai.
The acai.
Oh,
acai.
I don't like this.
Well, don't eat it. Put it in this box. This tastes like
This shit spicy. I put the whole damn
This
thing.
tastes like
Sometimes you gotta get your own crackers.
Yucky.
You know, I had cooked that stew.
I'm gonna put
That's what that tastes like. Yeah, that's real good.
Mine taste like chicken noodle soup.
Mommy, I want that.
Okay. I'm gonna finish this in a second. And of course, y'all know what famous Amos. Ooh, they can do a lot of them.
You hold this fire.
You should have knew that.
Hold on.
How old are you cooking for?
Wait.
How old is that in my review?
Ooh, this expired
I love that.
So
October 1st.
Mommy,
Well, if we die,
oh, what are you
we suing the military militia.
Why you
I
do
mean, you
that?
ain't like that. You ain't been
we was in school from 3 years ago.
For real?
Yeah.
I'm so
We
weak.
selling them hoes for $45 too.
So a pack of Skittles going for.
I got a pack of Skittles for 50.
That's what mine do.
And basic.
And they expired.
And that's fire.
What's that later?
You don't think like that though.
Hell no. You're gonna be wanting something sweet.
Overall, I
You
give
big
mine
boys.
What's that?
10 out of 10. I give mine 10 out of 10. I give his a 9 out of 10. Just because I don't like tetrazzini like that, but it's good.
I can mine an 8.
I think it was like an 8.5.
8 out of 10.
Hide it from me now.
It's
Yeah.
hot now. But it's just the one out of the brown package tastes different. And I actually like that one more.
You do? I mean, is it like this though? Is it coming in a pack like this?
Oh no.
No, it just.
The powders
And no, it's a pouch. And you rip that bitch open like this.
and eat it.
Eat it.
Oh, what?
I go get
So
you.
it's just like mixed together?
Yo, like, so you know how everything except like you got your meal. Your meal is in one pouch. Let me see. You probably get some mixed fruit. Your food in another pouch.
But then your food and the powder.
Yeah. You probably get some. Everything is in a brown pouch. So, like if you get some cookies, they're gonna be in a brown pouch. Crackers, brown pouch. Peanut butter, brown pouch.
Do they got the name labels on it?
Mm-hmm. That's why at basic training they used to turn them over, and then you just used to have to walk in the line and pick one up. But see me, sometimes expired is good.
Also eat. Alright y'all, so this is the ending of this video. We hope you guys enjoyed.
And try and subscribe and see this video. Bye bye.
Like, comment, and subscribe, and view this video. Bye bye.